Today is April 3rd, 2024. We are looking at Euro US dollar daily chart. Yeah, today it closed above 4 bar ago. Today it closed 4 bars high ago. That's a very strong bullish sign. When I say 4 bars ago, you look at the previous 4 bars, 1, 2, 3, 4. It closed the high of 4 bars ago. That's strong. That's another strategy. We always use. 3 bar rule, 4 bar rule. What does it mean is for the bullish signal. That means today's bar must close above the high of 3 bars ago or the high of 4 bars ago. Today it totally meet all the requirements. So this is a strong bullish sign. Yesterday I said there wouldn't be a retracement. Yeah, I got it right, but I got the second part wrong. I said enter the short trade, open the short positions at around 1.01 level. So stop loss trigger. It didn't. I had my profit for a few pips, but I was greedy. I didn't take it, so I stopped loss. So for today, look at the retracement today. Today retracement, we have only look at the 240-minute chart. Look at the retracement. For the retracement, we have less than 38%, just more than 25% retracement of yesterday. That's not enough retracement, right? It just kept on going. So this is for the retracement part. Let's look at 60-minute. And let's see. Yeah, for the 3-minute, again, as I always use simple strategy. For 3-minute and 5-minute, if you look at the chart, the 50 cross 200 moving average. So it happened today. Yeah, that's a good sign. It did happen. 50 cross 200 on 3-minute chart. Almost, guarantee. I would say 90% of the time, it will happen every day. For 5-minute chart, 50 cross 200. Sometimes I would say about 80% of the time, 50 will cross 200 on 5-minute chart. So this is definitely a good signal for your entry, either long or short. Let's look at the retracement for tomorrow. Since there was no retracement today, hopefully we will have retracement of today's or the candlestick bar. So look at the retracement. We have retracement down to 38%. That'll be nice. That means 1.081 should be a support. So anything 1.08 below, I would say, it's bearish, turns bearish, If you look at the 60-minute chart, as we speak, the yellow line is a 50 moving average. It's crossing upward to the 200 moving average. What does it mean? Looks like, it will cross above 50 moving average, will cross 200 moving average on 60-minute. If you look at the chart here, the price movement, we just want to make it simple. I don't want to throw too much indicators on the charts to confuse everybody. There are more indicators I will show later in the future, but for now I want to make it simple, so easy to look at, easy to understand the price movement. So for now, you look at 60-minute chart, the 50 looks like it wants to cross above 200 moving average. If this is happening, that means the price will stay up there for a while. It won't come down that easily. Even we have a retracement, I would say the retracement should be 1.081 around there. Then we'll take off again. Since also we have look at daily chart with the today's bar close. It closed above 1, 2, 3, 4 bars ago. That's totally complete, recover all the losses. That's a very strong bullish sign. So I won't be surprised, tomorrow it will keep on going. Maybe another resistance level will be 1.086 or even higher. So for tomorrow, so those who who want to short euro, just be careful. You can do it, but just have to look for good entry. For the long entry, yeah, as long as feel comfortable for the pullback, you can do it. And also look at the weekly chart of the euro. Oh yeah, no, let's look at the Bollinger of daily. I forgot to mention one thing yesterday about the Bollinger. Look at the Bollinger. On Monday, it closed below the bottom of Bollinger. Have you guys noticed that every time, if it closed below the bottom of Bollinger, it will bounce next day. So Tuesday it bounced, right? It bounced off the low of the Bollinger Band, and today even goes higher. So tomorrow I assume you should keep on going. I don't know how high it will go, but looks like let's see, the 1.087 around there, it's a big resistance. So just pay attention to it. Now look at the weekly chart of the euro. Look at the weekly chart. As you can see, the weekly chart, there is a triangle pennant. It's pretty obvious, right? Top trend line, bottom trend line, there's a triangle pennant. So we have 3 negative candlestick bar. That means a down bar. We have 3 down candlestick bars. So this week looks like it wants to turn positive, since it bounced off the bottom of the trend line. I won't be surprised. It might be close higher, positive candlestick bar this week. There are 2 remaining days. There are 2 remaining trading days for this week. So we'll see. I guess I'm not that bearish since today's bars have a shows a very strong candlestick bullish. Look at the daily chart. This is a strong candlestick bar. It's quite bullish. So let's see, it will hold above the 200-day moving average. As long as it hold 200-day moving average, it's bullish. Don't be so bearish. Yeah, looking at the euro US dollar daily chart. Now we have 1.08. It's should be a strong support, and hopefully tomorrow it will test the 5-day moving average, which is the magenta line, and looks like the 5-day moving average will cross above 10-day moving average tomorrow. So this is another strong bullish sign. This is strong signal for bulls. So we got support at 1.08 and 5-day moving average, 10-day moving average support. Just be careful if you short euro. As always, let's look at the 5-minute chart and 3-minute on Euro. We use a simple strategy, moving average, to look at how far it will come down, and looking at the retracement. You can see on the left hand side the 5-minute chart. On the 5-minute, MACD, it looks like it's forming a divergence to me. It looks like divergence. Look at the MACD. It's higher low, and on the price action is lower as a higher high. So it's a divergence on the MACD. And also, I always use the strategy 50 should cross 200 every day on 1-minute chart, 3-minute chart, almost guarantee. But for 5-minute, I always use a simple strategy based on the moving average on 5-minute and 3-minute, 1-minute chart for a retracement. 5-minute chart, I would say 85% of the time, 50 will cross 200 moving average on 5-minute chart. So let's see how deep it will pull back before I set my either long entry or short entry. For now, I open the short positions, 1.083 around there. See, I will get lucky this time, since I got stop loss today at 1.081 in 1.0825 level. Yeah, and look again, the MACD on 5-minute, it looks divergence to me. So it's time to go. So see you tomorrow.